also discussed the type of adverbs like adverb of quantity, adverb of quality, adverb of number, adverb of frequency, etc. And in today's video, we are going to understand the concept of adverb of affirmation or the adverb of negation. Now basically, adverb of affirmation represents the action which tells us that something is definitely going to happen, which means that these actions confirm about something, right? Or they give a proper negation of something. So definition is that these type of adverbs gives us confirmation of any action that is going to take place. So basically it gives us confirmation or it gives us negation of any action or any event which is about to take place. For example, various examples of adverb of confirmation or affirmation can be absolutely, definitely, surely, positively, not, etc. Now all these words are basically used when we are dead sure about an event or we are dead sure about an action which will take place. If we are not certain about something, another word is certainly. Certain is again confirm. If we are not confirmed about something, we will not be making use of such words. There we are going to use probably, maybe, but if we are confirmed about any action, then we will be making use of such kind of adverbs. So let us understand through some examples. First is, I will definitely visit you next Monday. Now again I am promising something, I am confirming that I will meet you next Monday. Now this is a kind of promise that you make because a promise is always meant to be fulfilled. And if you are confirmed for something, only then you promise. So here I am confirmed that I will definitely be able to meet you on Monday. So here I am using the word definitely. Why? Because I am sure, I am confirmed. Another example can be, I will return this dress by Monday positively. Now again I am making use of the word positively because I am sure that I will be needing the dress only till Monday, and after Monday or by Monday I will definitely return the dress because then my action or my need will be over. So if I am sure about that, only then I will be using the word positively, and here positively is the adverb of affirmation. Next example can be, Sonu will not attend the meeting. Now Sonu will not attend the meeting. I am confirmed because maybe Sonu has told me so. And because I am confirmed, therefore I am using will not. Because I am definite about the action that he will definitely not attend the meeting. So Sonu will not attend the meeting. Here my not is the adverb of affirmation or negation. Why? Because I am definite, I am sure that he will not attend the meeting. Another example can be Maya will certainly meet me in the park. Now, Maya will certainly meet me in the park. Here again, certainly is my adverb of affirmation. Why? Because Maya maybe has told me that she will be meeting in the park. So, if I am telling this to someone else, which means that first I am sure about this event to occur, and because I am sure, I am making use of the word certainly, not positively, definitely. So, in today's video, we have covered another type of adverb, which is adverb of affirmation or the adverb of negation. This adverb is used only when we are confirmed that a certain action will definitely take place. Some examples of this type of adverb is absolutely, definitely, surely, positively, not, certainly. And then we applied all these adverbs in sentences so that we can get a clear view of what all these type of words or adverbs actually mean.